Part 2, second sum. Use Euclid division lemma to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integers. Now solution. Euclid division lemma is a is equal to bq plus r. Here it is. They give three Euclid divisions. One is 6q plus 1, second is 6q plus 3, third is 6q plus 5. So they are all integers. Now first a is equal to 6q plus 1. So q is positive integer. If q is 1, then implies q 1 aithe now a is equal to 6 into 1 plus 1. So 6 1 are 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. If q is equal to 2, a is equal to 6 into 2 plus 1. 6 2 are 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. If q is equal to 3 implies a is equal to 6 into 3 plus 1. So 6 3 are 18 plus 1 19. These are odd integers 7, 13, 19. Odd integers. As well as next to q 6q plus 3. A is equal to 6q plus 3. Second, as well as if q is equal to 1 implies then a is equal to 6 into 1 plus 3. 6 1 is 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So if q is equal to 2 implies a is equal to 6 into 2 plus 3. 6 2 is 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. If q is equal to 3 implies a is equal to 6 into 3 plus 3. 6 3 is 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. As well as 6q plus 3 are also 9, 15, 21. These are odd integers. 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. So that odd integers. Next to a is equal to 6q plus 5. Same as well as if q is equal to 1 implies I not like that. A is equal to 6 into 1 plus 5. 6 1 are 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. If q is equal to 2 implies a is equal to 6 into 2 plus 5. 6 2 are 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. If q is equal to 3 implies a is equal to 6 into 3 plus 5. 18 plus 5 23. These are odd integers 11, 17, 23. These are also total all integers. Same. So they are positive or integers. So equation is solved. So next to another are 6 plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 are divided by 2. The remainder is 1 is also in odd numbers. You know number system part 1. What is odd, what is even? The number which is divided by 2, the remainder is 0 is even. The number which is divided by 2, the remainder is 1 is called odd number. So the numbers are 6 plus 1, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. Divided by 2, the remainder is 1. They are also odd integers. Or is it understanding? Okay. Set third sum. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p and 3p plus 1. So the form is 3p and 3p plus 1. We will square it. The answer is also are in Euclid division lemma. అంటే వీటిని స్క్వేర్ చేసిన వచ్చే ఈక్వేషన్ కూడా యూక్లిడ్ న్యాయంలో ఉన్నది, యూక్లిడ్ భాగాల న్యాయంలో ఉన్నదని చూపించాలి. ఫస్ట్ యూ విల్ టేక్ a equal to 3p squared both sides. So a square is equal to 3p whole square. So a square is equal to 9p square. A square is equal to 3 into 3p square. 3 common 3p square. 3p square let 3p square is equal to q. 3p square ni q అనుకోండి. a square is equal to 3 దీని q అనుకోండి 3q. a square is equal to 3q plus 0 అనుకోండి. సో యూక్లిడ్ సూత్రంలో యూక్లిడ్ డివిజన్ లెమ్మా రూపంలో వచ్చింది. యూక్లిడ్ డివిజన్ లెమ్మా a is equal to vq plus r రూపంలో వచ్చింది. సో దాన్ని స్క్వేర్ చేసినా సరే a square is equal to 3q plus 0 రూపంలో వచ్చింది. అలాగే as well as 3p a is equal to 3p plus 1. a is equal to 3p plus 1. Square both sides. So a square is equal to 3p plus 1 whole square. A square is equal to 3p plus 1 whole square. A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is a, this is b. A square 3p whole square plus 2. A means 3p. B means 1 plus b square 1 square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So 3b square 9b square plus 2 3 the 6 6 1 the 6p plus 1 square means 1. So these two numbers we will common 3. So 3p square plus 3p plus 1. 3 3 the 9p square 3 3 the 2 the 2p common 3 2 the 6p 6p 3 2 the 6p plus 1. So let 3p square plus 2p is equal to q. Let 3p square plus 2p is equal to q. So 3q plus 1. A square is also 3q plus 1. It is also Euclid division lemma. It is also Euclid division lemma. So they are in స్క్వేర్ చేసిన అవి యూక్లిడ్ డివిజన్ లెమ్మాలో ఉన్నాయని చూపించాం. అంటే a square is equal to 3q plus 0, a square is equal to 3q plus 1. They are in Euclid division lemma. Fourth sum. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. So 9 చేత డివైడ్ చేస్తే the remainders are 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. వీటిలో 9m అంటే 9m plus 0 1 8 కి మాత్రమే చూపాలి. క్యూబ్ చేస్తే వాటికి యూక్లిడ్ డివిజన్ లెమ్మాలో ఉన్నాయని చూపించాలి. అయితే యూక్లిడ్ డివిజన్ లెమ్మా a is equal to 3q plus r. అయితే b కి బదులు వాడు 9 ఇచ్చాడు. a is equal to 9q plus r. First this formula cube both sides. Okay. cubed both sides. A cube is equal to 9 cube plus r whole cube. A cube is equal to 9 cube plus r whole cube. So a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the algebraic formula. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So a cube is equal to a cube. This is a, this is b. 9 cube is equal to a, r is equal to b. So 9 cube whole cube, a cube plus 3 a square. This is a, this is b. A square 9 cube whole square plus, so b plus 3 a square means 9 cube 9 3a b square. B square means r square plus b cube r cube. So a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube formula. Okay, a cube is equal to 9 cube, 9 into 9 into 9, 729 cube, 729 cube, 9 into 9 into 9, 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 729 plus 3 q, 9 q square, 9 square means 81 q square into r plus 3 9s are 27 q r plus r cube. So next a cube is equal to 729 cube 3 1s are 3 3 8s are 24 plus 3 8s are 24 243 q square plus 27 qr q square r plus 27 qr square plus r cube. So the formula is 729 cube 243 q square r 27 qr square plus r cube. A cube is equal to 9 common in this form. So 9 common is there, 9 8 2, 9 1s are cube plus 9 2s are 18 63, 9 7s are q square r plus 9 3 q r square plus r cube. So a cube is equal to 9 into, you will call this is m, let. So let 81 q cube plus 27 q square r plus 3 q r square is equal to m. That m అనుకుంటే 9m plus r cube. అంటే 9m plus r cube రూపంలో తెచ్చాం. ఇక్కడ r is equal to 0 1 8 అనుకుంటే so a cube is equal to r is equal to 0. Right? Implies a cube is equal to 9m into r 0 cube. So a cube is equal to 9m plus 0. A cube is equal to 9m. 9m plus 0 equal to 4. So r is equal to 1. Implies a cube is equal to 9m plus r cube 1 cube. So a cube is equal to 9m plus 1 cube 1. So it is also Euclid division lemma. Next a is equal to 8, r is equal to r is equal to 8 implies a cube is equal to 9m plus 8 cube. So a cube is equal to 9m plus 8 cube, 8 into 8 into 8, 8 into 8, 64, 64 into 8, 8 4s are 32, 3, 8 6 are 48, 51, 512. So it is also, we will common, it is also Euclid formula. Euclid formula. These are in Euclid division lemma. So if it is common, a cube is equal to 9 common m plus. So m plus, this is called 5 12. 9 divided చేస్తే 9 5 9 5 45, 62, 9 6 54. So 8, so 956 plus 8. So m plus 46 is equal to m plus 46 is equal to m like. So a cube also, a cube is equal to m plus 56 equal to m, 9m plus 8, 9m plus 8. They are in Euclid division lemma. They are Euclid division lemma. So complete this